Okay, we're going to start today with taking our fractions and turning them into decimals. Let's take a fraction 1/7. Well, how do I turn that into a decimal? Students are really easy or really good at turning numbers like 1/10 or 6/10 into decimals because they're using their base 10, and it's a lot easier for them to solve. But these are a little bit trickier. So it's really not that bad. All they have to do is listen to the fraction. The fraction's telling you what to do. A fraction is just a wannabe division problem. It hasn't been divided yet, so it wants to be divided. So let's go ahead and divide it. 1 divided by, the fraction bar always means divide, 1 divided by 7. Okay, well, I'm going to go write it over here. 1 divided by 7. Make sure you're saying that to yourself as you're writing, because a lot of people want to put 7 here because it's bigger and it's more natural, but that's not what we're doing. We're saying 1 divided by 7. Okay, so I've gone from this to this. Now what do I do? Well, 7 obviously cannot go into 1. So can 7 go into 1? I tell my students to say no, take your 0, stamp it over here. No, can't go there. Well, now I'm stuck. This is where kids get stuck. 7 still can't go in 1. It's got a 0, but what else do I do? Well, you need to call in some backup. And I tell them, call your point 0 hero, your decimal, and your 0. Point 0. That makes it a hero because now you can take your 7 and put it into 10. How many times can 7 go into 10? Just one time. Very important step. You must bring up your decimal. Make sure you do that. I would even do that first thing. I even skipped that. I would do that first thing. Bring up your decimal. And we said 7 can go into 10 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. Gives me a 3. Once you're past your decimal, you just add another 0 here because 7 cannot go into 3. Bring it down. Can 7 go into 30? Yes. How many times? 7 can go into 30 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And you can keep doing this and keep going on, but I like to just stop at 2 numbers past the decimal, and there I have it, 0.14.